Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which is select the correct match of endocrine gland, its hormone and its function. Option A, ovary, FSH, stimulation of follicle development. Option B, placenta, estrogen, involved in lactation. Option C, corpus luteum, estrogen, endometrial maintenance. Option D, Leydig cells, androgen, production of sperm. So the question says choose the or select the correct match of endocrine gland, its hormone and its function. So let us look at the option one. Option one says ovary, FSH, stimulation of the follicle development. So what are ovaries? Ovaries are nothing but this is a single part is called as ovary. There are two ovaries which are present in females. Okay, and these produce actually, these are necessary for the process or for the formation of ovum. Okay, and these are the structure where ovum is formed. Ovum formed. And this is called as oogenesis. So oogenesis occur in the ovary. Okay. And they are saying FSH. FSH is nothing but follicular stimulating hormone, which is involved in follicle development. But FSH is actually produced by what? It is produced by the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland and not by the ovary. Okay, and hence option A is ruled out. Okay, this is option A. Option B says placenta, estrogen involved in lactation. Placenta, yes, it is the bag-like structure within which the baby resides. Okay, during the pregnancy, the baby resides within the placenta. And placenta is the one which helps in the exchange of nutrition, gases, etc. to the baby and the mother. Like in between the baby and the mother, placenta acts as a connector, which allows the entry and exit of the nutrients, exit of the waste from the baby. Okay. Now placenta, of course, it produces estrogen and progesterone, but these are not involved directly in lactation. Okay, so it involves in estrogen production and progesterone. Okay, progesterone, which is necessary for further maintenance of the pregnancy, right? But that is not involved in the lactation. Okay, hence option B is also ruled out. Option, because lactation is lactation is actually induced by a hormone which is called as HPL, that is human placental lactate hormone. Okay, but is not estrogen. Hence option B is ruled out. Option C says corpus luteum. So corpus luteum is the structure which is formed after the rupturing of the Graafian follicles. Okay, corpus luteum. And this, of course, produces high amount of progesterone and not estrogen. It produces very high amount of progesterone during the second half of the menstrual cycle. Okay, so that produces progesterone, which will further help in the maintenance of pregnancy. And of course, it is involved in endometrial maintenance, but not estrogen. Hence, option C is ruled out because corpus luteum actually produces progesterone, not estrogen. Then option D says Leydig cells, androgen, production of sperm. So what are these Leydig cells? Leydig cells are also known as interstitial cells. These are called as interstitial cells, which are present within the seminiferous tubule. Okay. And what is the function? These produce the male hormone, which is a type of androgen, which is called as testosterone. Okay. Testosterone. And this testosterone will further stimulate the production of sperms. Okay, sperm production. So option D is the correct answer. So that is the correct matching endocrine gland, the hormone it produces, as well as its function. So let us conclude the answer. So what is the answer? The answer is option D. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.